see what you're doing.
We got it now from Complete Nutrition last season. The one that we had the amazing out with the pitcher who was so pissy.
Oh, yeah?
This guy on the back of our hat, he looked familiar. And he's from our team. Actually, I tried to
Is he the one that was on the third base, like, that I got into?
I totally do. Like, Allie just pointed it out. And I was like, oh yeah, like, he looked familiar.
Do you need some cutter? I hear you tried to burn my house down. I really wish you could have heard the morning after conversation on that. It was hilarious. Krista, pay attention to Marcus! Marcus, you beat our Big Dave. Which one of y'all's third baseman? Krista, pay attention to Big Dave! Oh, well, she doesn't know that probably. Yeah, that was 3. Boom. You gonna go to the outfield and not stand in the ant bed? Again, CP, you walked right through it. Bam, blam, what? I think he thinks he's going there. I told y'all. Thank you, Marcus, for the boy, girl, boy comment. Hey, Josh, watch the butt. I love that he's counting us, even though we only have enough players to play. That was a good stop, Josh. I've done a split across first base. I haven't done that again. Haven't made it to second this game, but that was a good play, Marcus.
Hey, what if I told you, you get a chance like that, you kill it?
Don't kill it. Girls are fragile. Watch the... Third! Home! I really wouldn't mess with him when he has the ball in his hand. That big dude right there. That one. I wouldn't mess with him when he has the ball in his hand. I mean, I'm just saying. Only if you're a dude, though. He's sweet to the girls. Nice play, Josh! You're the captain, aren't you?
Well, my fiance is, but she
She's... Oh, okay. Nice!
Hey! No profanity on the field!
Don't listen to him, he's cursed. Durbin. That guy that, Marcus, that guy that was on second, I was like, dude, I wouldn't mess with him when he has the ball in his hand. He's like, which one? That one? I was like, yeah, that big dude right there. Wouldn't mess with him. He goes, why does he peg hard? And I was like, bored? So y'all got 12 players. Somebody on the field needs to come off. 2, 3, 4. This is why we like to play lean. Because you don't have a bunch of people standing around. Ouch. I mean, that hurt my foot. Did you see the ball? Like, look at the form. I thought that was a ball. I'm kidding. Totally kidding. And I rolled to the right. I've been called out because I rolled to the left. Still got a thong issue. I won't do it again. Don't worry. Nothing. It's alright, Big Dave. It was pretty.
Hey. Mark. One out.
You might want to wait to roll that ball until I'm back on base. Pitcher. That was stupid, right?
Should have just stopped him like just on. They didn't see me, but
The ref didn't even call it either.